So Nietzsche once said that a man can bear any how if he knows why. And the person who quoted him was Viktor Frankl, the Holocaust survivor who was a Viennese psychologist and was really most famous for his book Man's Search for Meaning. And why do I ask that? Or why do I bring this up, this quote from Nietzsche? The reason I bring this quote up is because Nietzsche is famous for saying people often acted out of a fear for God before. Or at least this is my interpretation. I'm not a scholar on Nietzsche, but he's the one who said God is dead. And he kind of, I believe, was referencing the decline of religion as a moral compass and the need for humanity to decide for themselves the direction that they will take in the absence of a governing authority such as God. So he proposed that there was a will to power, you know, inherent in human beings, this desire for power. And the reason I bring his quote is I think he was right in that way, in that Napoleon Hill talks about how there are, do you call it desire? There's several different emotions, you know, the desire for wealth, um, life after death, you know, there's the emotion of sex, the emotion of fear, emotion from autosuggestion, all these different elements. I believe personally that the will to power is at the root of a lot of these desires, because to achieve these aims is to achieve success, because success, according to Napoleon Hill, is the ability to achieve your aims in life without interfering with the rights of others. Okay, and he also says that power is essential for the attainment of success. So the will to power is kind of like another way to look at desire. Okay, that's what I just wanted to leave you with today. I know it was a long-winded little thinking out process, but what we're really looking for in a way is power. Okay, power again is organized effort or energy. Okay, think about it. Okay, you want health? That's an organization of effort within yourself. Okay, it's the proper optimization of energy within yourself. You want wealth? That's the organization and the accumulation of resources outside of yourself. Resources that, if it was ancient times, would be represented by how many sheep you own or how much land you own. And in, I guess not land because people didn't own land back then, but now, you know, it's money. And you look at love, in a way too, that's an organization of human resources. You know, government, what is government? An organization of human resources through force, if you ask maybe Ayn Rand. Um, but, you know, again, your desire is contingent upon power. And let's go back to the original quote at the beginning. Any man can bear anyhow, almost anyhow, as long as he knows why. So, in your search for power, in your search for success, as you're trying to build power, remember your why, and you will get there.